In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change font on Samsung phone. Changing the font on your Samsung device can give it a fresh look and feel. Let's dive right in and make your phone uniquely yours. First, open the Settings app on your Samsung phone. You'll find the Settings icon either on your home screen or within your app drawer. It's the gear-shaped icon that holds the key to personalizing your device. Take a moment to locate and open it. The Settings app is where you can adjust almost every aspect of your phone, making it a powerful tool for customization. Once you're in the Settings menu, look for the option labeled Display. This is where you can modify how things appear on your screen. Tap on Display to access the settings that control the visual elements of your phone. Display settings are crucial because they determine how you interact with your device visually. From here, you can make changes that enhance your viewing experience. Next up, within the display menu, find and tap on font size and style. This particular setting allows you to adjust not only the size but also the style of the text displayed on your screen. It's important because it can improve readability and make your phone more comfortable to use. Once you tap this option, you'll see a few more choices appear. Now tap on Font Style. This is the section where you can explore different font options available on your Samsung phone. You'll see a list of fonts that you can choose from, each offering a unique flair to your device. Changing the font style is a simple yet effective way to refresh the overall look of your phone's interface. Select the font you want from the list presented to you. As you tap on different fonts, you'll notice the preview changing immediately. This preview is helpful because it lets you see exactly how the text will look across your device. Take your time to find a font that suits your style and preferences. Remember, the font you choose will be applied throughout your phone's menus, apps, and notifications. The new font is applied immediately after you select it. There's no need to restart your phone or confirm your choice. This instant application means you can continue using your phone without any interruptions. You will see the change reflected across all text on your device, making it feel like a brand new experience. And there you have it. You've successfully changed the font on your Samsung phone. This simple customization can make a big difference in how you interact with your device daily. A new font can refresh your phone's appearance and make reading content easier. If you ever want to switch things up again, you now know exactly how to do it. Thank you for joining me today. I hope you found this tutorial helpful and that you enjoy your newly personalized Samsung phone. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips and tricks. Have a great day and see you in the next video.